year 2025. Ano na nga ba ang inyong New Year's? Meron ba kayong goal, plano, or everything, whatever? Okay, I think this is the best year for all of us, 2025. Bakit ko sinabi? Kasi kailangan positive tayo. And I just want to greet you all ng isang manigong bagong taon para sa ating lahat. Ligtas sa anumang karamdaman and masaya sa kanyang mundong ginagalawan. Well, sabi nga, we cannot please everybody. We have our own like and dislikes, you know. We have our own way of doing our job. Iba-iba tayo. So, in short, sabi nga nila sa ito lamang ang tanging bibigay ng kasiyahan, kaligayahan sa iyong sarili. More contribution will come sa sarili mo. Ikaw ang bibigay nun, hindi ang ibang tao. So, speaking of 2025, I think the best thing to do is to do what is good for you, what is best for you, and to make you happy. And, kasi ikaw lang naman yun eh. No? Sabi nga, no girlfriend, no boyfriend, no problem. No money, big problem. So, bottom line, kailangan meron kang So, this year, gagawa tayo ng pera. Okay ba kayo doon? So, sumama kayo sa amin at gagawa tayo ng pera para masaya tayo lahat. Well, believe it or not, pera talaga ang nakapagpapasigla sa buhay ng tao. So, panghinatay natin, ay pala ang solusyon. Why don't we do our best to create more money? Diba? So, and create more happiness. Even without money, you can create happiness. You can do what you want. Whatever you want. No? It's yours. It's in your, in yourself. So, wala makakapigil sa'yo. So, today, I would like to tell that you are the one who will make your history. No other than you. Believe me. So, welcome 2025, and I'm hoping and praying that everybody will be happy and successful this year. They will meet their demands. They will be happy and contented. The most important thing is to be contented for what you have. Don't look for what you don't have. Just be contented. Kailangan maging kontento tayo sa anumang bagay na meron tayo.